What's up, y'all? It's Billy over here at Lighting Trendz. We got this 2025 Jeep Wrangler JL in the shop today in this sweet 41 color. If you're a Jeeper, an installer, or just someone who thinks headlights should do more than just light up the road, you're in the right place. Today we got rid of these boring stock halogen headlights and we replaced them with these OEM LED headlights. These are equipped with our RGBW DRL boards. Now, let's talk about what makes these DRL boards shine, literally. They're RGBW, which means they have full color functionality. You can do maroon, magenta, purple, green, tangerine, any color you want. All with a crisp, pure 6000K white for everyday driving. And the benefit of these are, you can control it straight from an app on your smartphone. Now, color changing lights are deemed for off-road use only, and I strongly recommend you look up your local and state laws just to make sure you're never gonna get in any trouble. But before you hit the road, what's great about RGBW is you can always flip it to that pure, crisp white or an awesome slick amber. For this build, we didn't stop there. We also added RGBW demonize and custom projector etchings. The demonize mount right behind the projector and allow you to have full color changing behind there as well, not only in the DRLs. Now, the projector etching is a whole different item. What it is it's an etching on the projector itself that allows you to have that same sort of OEM plus Easter egg feel when the lights are off. In this build, we did a Jeep logo right inside. Now, let's be real. This isn't a 5-minute plug and play install. You will need to open up the housings, reseal them, and then do a little bit of wiring. But if you're handy, I say go for it. It's not impossible and not really all that difficult. But if you feel uncomfortable baking your headlights in the oven next to last night's lasagna, then I think you should just send it to us. Now, the bonus there, even though it is a little bit more expensive, you do get a lifetime warranty, which covers anything but physical damage. So if you get any moisture inside, LED failures, as long as you own the lights, we cover you. You just give us a ring, we'll take care of you. Make sure to stay tuned. We're not done lighting up this Jeep yet. Next up, we have our brand new Hyper Pro Max V2 RGBW rock lights getting installed, along with our 8-gang switch panel. These rock lights are absolute monsters. Fully metal housings, completely waterproof, 48 high power LEDs, and plug and play in and out connectors that make install an absolute breeze. This 8-gang switch panel is perfect because let's be real, your dash ran out of room a long time ago for more switches. This comes with 8 programmable switches, RGB backlighting, a built-in fuse box, and custom labels for all your switches. That way, when you mean to turn on your halos, you don't accidentally hit that ejecto seat. That's it for today's build, but the next phase is right around the corner. Be sure to like, subscribe, press that bell down below so you don't miss any of the upgrades. You'll want to see this thing lit up. So, until next time, and remember, stay lit.